downside. Second stock to look at is Pandora. They came out with the monthly streaming numbers this morning. They've had some pretty big moves over the last 6 months on those monthly streaming numbers, both to the upside and to the downside. If we take a look at the daily, this is one of the momentum names that came off. It had topped out at $40, bottomed the other around half over a 3-day period. Pretty good bounce up to 32 a couple of days ago. Yesterday it had that kind of topping action where in the morning, similar to Netflix, but just on a smaller scale, where it topped out around 32.60, came off all the way down to 31. If we zoom in on it, it's a pretty good reaction so far. The bid's 32.5. And just in case it reverses back to the downside, 31.20 is where it supported all afternoon yesterday. And this is where it kind of broke down. So if we go back to the 30-minute, just to give you an idea of upside targets beyond where it broke down from yesterday, you can see the big down move where it kind of broke down and I started to look for a bounce in it was this day here. Kind of broke below this 33.40 support. And so if they want to push it some more to the this area right here, similar setup to the Facebook short from yesterday. So Facebook basically came back, it had broken down from this 63.40 or whatever, overshot it and came down, then held it. Actually, it was a really good look at that actually in a little bit. So it's the same idea. This is where it broke down from. Maybe it does even overshoot, closer to the 34, exactly like Facebook did, but use that as a reference. And that trade worked very nicely yesterday. Eventually came off more than $1.50. If it's supporting $32, certainly that's a spot to get in on the long side.